My brothers and sisters, one of the most interesting things about human beings, when Allah Almighty created the first of our species, what was his name? Adam. Adam alayhi salam. Anyone here whose name is Adam? Make a bit of noise. Whoa, quite a few Adams, mashallah. So when Allah Almighty created Adam alayhi salam, one of the most interesting things is Allah knew already that He created him for the earth. And He had taken from the earth different parts of the earth, different types of sand and soil, different colors. And He mixed it up and He formed this creature in the posture that you and I are today, which means placing the eyes in a certain way, in a certain place, the nose, the belly, the legs, everything, the hands, whatever it was, the hair, where it was to grow and so on. So Allah Almighty created Adam, and then Allah blew in him a soul. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knew that although this creature is going to be on earth, I am making him with what is taken from the earth because I want it to be returned to the earth, but in a place where it is considered Jannah. Jannah means a garden. People argue when Adam alayhi salam was created in Jannah. What does it mean? Does it mean Jannah that we are going to go to when we die and we say we're going to paradise? Was he created in paradise? So a lot of the scholars say it was a special place known as the garden that was temporary. It's not the everlasting, eternal paradise that you and I will return to. But Allah Almighty made a place and created Adam in that place, again knowing that He wants him to go onto the earth. But there was a plan. What was the plan? Here goes. We make this creature and we tell him, we want you to obey us using the capacity and the brain that we've given you. Amazing. Which means the angels do not have the capacity to disobey. Shaitan or Satan does not obey. But here is humankind in the middle, knows what's right and wrong and chooses to obey. And wherever he or she has faltered, he or she will seek forgiveness.